Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all taking care of yourselves and the people around you. This video is probably going to be a short one. I just want to see if I can make some DIY tattoo liner stamps. I'll insert a picture so you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, since I'm not buying any new makeup, I thought I would take a look at my piles of arts and crafts supplies and see if there was anything I can use to make my own tattoo stamps. And I found these pencils, which I think are gonna do the trick. My plan is to cut out some shapes on the eraser end of the pencil. I want to try 3 different shapes: hearts, stars, and moons, because I think those shapes should be pretty easy to cut out with an exacto knife. I also have some fine tip markers that I'm going to use to draw out the shapes, and then some liquid eyeliner to test out the steps. So yeah, so this is going to be a bit of an experiment. So I'm probably going to go through all these pencils, and then at the end I'll choose the stamps that are going to work the best, and I will try those out on my face. So yeah, so we'll just get right into the video, and hopefully one of these works out for me. So yeah, we'll just get started. Okay guys, so I think these are the best shapes I got. As you can see, I tried them all on my hand. But yeah, I think these are the best ones. So we're just gonna go over to my vanity and try them out on my face. So yeah, so we'll head over to my vanity right now. Okay, so I am refilming this the following day. I did test these out and I thought I recorded myself testing these out yesterday right after making the stamps. But I don't know if I didn't press play or maybe I accidentally deleted this part of the video. But when I went to edit everything last night, this part was missing. So that's fine. I'm just redoing it today. And hopefully my stamp application skills have improved overnight and these work better today. You know, fingers crossed. But yeah, anyways, we have quite a few shapes to try out. I have 4 moon shapes, two star shapes, and then I only have 1 heart. This one gave me the most trouble, but at least I got one, and I have to say yesterday I was the happiest with this stamp. I will be using my Essence liquid liner to put on the tips of the stamps to put on my face. So to start, I guess I'll do the moon stamps. That's the same thing I did yesterday. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I guess I'll do the yellow pencil first. So I'll just apply a little bit of the liner. And then let's see if I can get this to work better today. Yeah, it doesn't really look like a moon. That's the problem I was having yesterday with the moon stamps. They just didn't seem to have a very good moon shape. Okay, now I'm going to try this kind of like a orangey yellow pencil. A peach, I guess. Try this shape. Yeah, still messy. No, I don't like that one for sure. This one is out for sure. Okay, next. Okay, let's try this one. I'll put this one higher up. Don't like that one either. That's too bad. Nope. But this one is better than the last 2 I tried, so let me try this one again. Maybe I'll put it right here. No. Let me go back to the yellow pencil. Try it on this side. Oh. That didn't work at all. No. Now, I could just use these to kind of help me draw in a moon shape. Well, that one's not too bad, right? Like I could just, you know, clean up the end a little bit better. Right? That's better. So, you know, it's a good starting point. So yeah, I could just, I could try to make more stamps till I get the perfect shape. But yeah, moons, not too happy with it. I could go in and, you know, clean them up a little bit. Not a big deal. We'll move on to the stars now. So, okay, we'll put this one maybe right here. Let me try this again. Because actually, the stars worked pretty well yesterday. Oh, why aren't you working today? Try again. Oh, see? That one looks good. Yeah, I think it's just the way I'm pressing the pencils that makes it not work. This is the second star shape. Let's try this one down here. So that's pretty good. It just, it's a bit patchy in there, but I could go in and clean it or fill it in with more liner. Let's try this side. Yeah, see, that works better. And I just fill in the oh, I messed that up. So yeah, I do like this star shape. That's the first one I used. This one I think works the best. Just have to work on my application. And then lastly is the heart shape. So let's try this one. And yesterday this was my favorite one, the one that worked the best. So let's see if it works for me today. I'll put it right here. Yeah, see? That looks nice. Oh, that one didn't work too good. So yeah, I feel like I can make the stamps work. They're not perfect, but I'm actually going to continue cutting out stamps because I think it's just, you know, I need practice so I can make like, you know, clean shapes. So yeah, I'm not super happy, but I know I can make these work. It's just going to be a little bit of extra, you know, cleaning up edges and filling in spots. So yeah, so I guess that's it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, take care and bye.